Celebrate your uniqueness, embracing your natural beauty. Title: Celebrate your uniqueness, embracing your natural beauty. Introduction. In today's society, where beauty standards are constantly evolving and heavily influenced by social media and advertising, it is essential to celebrate and embrace our own natural beauty. Each of us possesses unique features, characteristics, and qualities that make us who we are. Instead of striving to fit into society's narrow definition of beauty, it is time to acknowledge and celebrate our individuality. This article explores the importance of embracing our natural beauty and provides practical tips for doing so. Understanding natural beauty. Natural beauty is not a fixed standard to be achieved, but rather a state of self-acceptance and self-love. It revolves around acknowledging and appreciating our inherent physical and unique quality. Unlike societal beauty standards that often perpetuate unattainable ideals, natural beauty encourages authenticity and self-expression. 1. Redefining beauty standards. It is crucial to challenge narrow beauty standards and redefine what it means to be beautiful. Appreciate the diversity within humanity and recognize that beauty exists in various forms. Instead of comparing ourselves to airbrushed images or unattainable ideals, we must shift our focus to appreciating the beauty that radiates from within. 2. Cultivating self-acceptance. Accepting and embracing our natural beauty begins with cultivating self-acceptance. It involves acknowledging and embracing our flaws, imperfections, and distinctive features. By doing so, we can enhance our self-esteem and foster a positive body image. 3. Nurturing confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to celebrating our natural beauty. Building self-confidence requires self-reflection, positive self-talk, and practicing self-care. Engaging in activities that make us feel good, such as exercising, practicing mindfulness, and pursuing hobbies, can significantly boost confidence levels. Practical tips for embracing natural beauty. 1. Skincare routine and minimal makeup. Take care of your skin by establishing a skincare routine that suits your skin type. Embracing a minimalist approach to makeup allows your natural features to shine through. Opt for natural makeup looks that enhance your best features instead of trying to mask or alter them. 2. Embrace your unique features. Instead of seeking to change or hide our distinct features, let's celebrate them. Whether it's a unique eye color, freckles, or a birthmark, they are a part of what makes us unique. Embracing these features gives us a sense of individuality and pride. 3. Dress for individuality. Experiment with fashion and develop a personal style that reflects your true self. Embrace clothing styles that make you feel confident and comfortable, rather than following fashion trends blindly. Remember, true style comes from expressing your personality, rather than conforming to the latest trends. 4. Focus on inner well-being. Outer beauty is interconnected with inner well-being. Practice self-care by nourishing your body with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient rest. Prioritize mental well-being by engaging in activities that reduce stress, such as meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Create an environment that celebrates and encourages natural beauty. Surrounding yourself with positive people who appreciate you for who you are will boost your overall self-confidence and self-worth. H. Celebrate your uniqueness, embracing your natural beauty. Continued. 4. Seek inspiration from role models. Look for role models who embrace their natural beauty and inspire you to do the same. Follow influencers, celebrities, or everyday individuals who promote self-acceptance and body positivity. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can help normalize diverse beauty standards and give you the confidence to embrace your own natural beauty. 5. Challenge negative self-talk. We often engage in negative self-talk and criticize ourselves for not fitting society's beauty standards. It is essential to challenge these negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmati. Ons. Practice self-compassion and remind yourself that your unique qualities are what make you beautiful. 6. Appreciate the power of smiling. A genuine smile radiates natural beauty and instantly lights up your face. Smiling not only makes you feel good, but it also exudes confidence and positivity. Make an effort to smile often, as it can transform your entire appearance and make you feel more comfortable in your natural skin. 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude can shift our focus from insecurities to appreciating our natural beauty. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you love about yourself and your unique qualities. This practice can help cultivate a positive mindset and increase self-acceptance. 8. Educate yourself about beauty standards. Society's beauty standards are constantly changing, and it can be helpful to educate yourself about their origins and the impact they have on our perceptions of beauty. By understanding the underlying factors that influence beauty ideals, you can develop a more critical and discerning mindset, allowing you to embrace your natural beauty with confidence. 9. Support inclusive and diverse brands. Choose to support brands that celebrate diversity and promote inclusive beauty. Look for companies that feature a wide range of models with different body types, skin tones, and unique features. By S. Upholding these brands, you are endorsing a more inclusive vision of beauty and contributing to a positive shift in societal beauty standards. 10. Spread the message. Once you have embraced your own natural beauty, share your journey and the importance of self-acceptance with others. By spreading the message of self-love and embracing natural beauty, you can inspire and empower those around you to do the same. Celebrate diversity and encourage others to recognize and appreciate their own unique beauty. Celebrate your uniqueness, embracing your natural beauty. Continued. 11. Embrace aging gracefully. As we age, our appearance naturally changes. Instead of fearing or resisting this process, embrace it with grace and confidence. Understand that aging is a sign of a life well lived and carries its own unique beauty. Embrace the wisdom and experience that comes with age and appreciate the journey of growing older.